I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now go straight to the chats or conversations list. This is where deletion begins. Tap or click the conversation to open it so you can confirm its contents. Once opened, make sure it's the exact chat you want removed. You don't want to delete the wrong thread. Notice any pinned messages or favorites because those may require unpinning first. If you're on mobile, use the app menu. On desktop, use the left-hand panel. This first step prevents accidental loss. Once the conversation is open, find the chat menu, usually 3 dots or a gear icon near the title. Tap it, then select Delete or Remove. If Archive appears, know that Archive only hides the chat rather than erasing it. When you choose Delete, the system will prompt you to confirm. Read that prompt because some deletions are permanent. If there's a checkbox for deleting media or backups, decide now. Make sure to confirm only after you're certain. This step finalizes the action. After confirming deletion, verify the conversation is gone from the main list and the archived section if applicable. If the chat still shows, refresh the app or browser and clear cache. Sometimes the UI lags. Make sure you're viewing the same account, log out and back in to confirm. If deletion failed or the chat persists across devices, contact Character AI support with your account details. Remember, permanent deletions can't be undone, so double-check before confirming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.